Hey everyone, today I will show you the best method on how to withdraw money from Whop easily in 2025. Make sure to watch till the end to avoid missing any steps. Let's get started with this video. Step 1. Start by logging into your dashboard. This is your central hub for managing everything, so make sure you're in the right place. Step 2. On the left-hand sidebar, click on the Payouts tab. This will open up your payment and withdrawal settings. Step 3. You'll see two options, withdraw or instant withdrawal. Select the one that works best for you. Just keep in mind, instant withdrawal will only show up if your bank supports it. Step 4. Next, choose how often you want your payouts. Set your withdrawal frequency daily, weekly, monthly, or hit manual if you prefer to decide each time. Step 5. You'll now set a minimum balance to retain. This is the amount you want to keep in your account just in case you need to issue a refund. It's a good idea to leave enough to cover at least 2 average orders. Step 6. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. You're in control. Withdraw as little or as much as you need depending on your available balance. Step 7. Carefully review your bank account information. Check the box to confirm everything is correct. Accuracy is key here. Step 8. Finally, when you're ready, click Confirm Withdrawal. Your funds will be processed and sent to your linked bank account.